Welcome to my ThatMuffinART channel. Hi everyone. Today I am going to walk you through how to draw a simple yet cute gift box. Let's get started. Let's begin by drawing a square in the middle of your paper. This will form the main part of the gift box. Let's begin by drawing square in the middle of your paper. This will form the main part of the gift box, so make sure to keep your line straight. You can use a ruler if you like, but feel free to draw it for a more personal touch. We are going to add a lid. Draw a slightly longer horizontal line just above the top edge of the square, making sure both ends stick out behind the box. Now connect the ends of this line to the top corners of your square with short triangle lines. This creates the look of a slightly raised box lid. Time to add a ribbon. Draw two vertical lines in the middle of the box, evenly spaced. From the top of the lid down to the bottom of the box, this will be one part of the ribbon. Add a bow. Draw a small oval or circle in the middle right above the two